Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.
In part 2 of The Role of DIY Car Repairs, we're continuing our journey into the world of car maintenance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIYer, we've got valuable insights just for you.
Battery replacement.
A dead battery can leave you stranded, so knowing how to replace it is a valuable skill. Here's how to do it safely. Gather necessary tools. You will need a wrench and gloves for safety.
Turn off the engine. Make sure your car is off and in park. Remove battery cables. Start by loosening the negative cable, black, first and then the positive, red. This prevents sparks. Remove the old battery. Carefully take out the old battery. It's usually heavy, so be cautious. Install the new battery. Place the new battery in the same position as the old one. Secure it in place. Reconnect cables. First, connect the positive cable, then the negative. Ensure they are tight. Test the battery. Start your car to make sure the new battery is working properly. Knowing how to replace your car battery can save you a trip to the mechanic and ensure you stay on the road. Air filter replacement. Replacing the air filter is one of the simplest DIY repairs and can significantly improve your vehicle's performance. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, which can decrease fuel efficiency. Here's how easy it is. Locate the air filter. Check your owner's manual if you're unsure where it is. Remove the old filter. Open the air filter housing and pull out the old filter. It may be snug, so a little tug should help. Clean the housing. Wipe out any dust or debris inside the housing before installing the new filter. Insert the new filter. Place the new filter into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Close the housing. Secure the housing cover back in place. Regular air filter changes can enhance your car's fuel efficiency and overall performance, keeping it running at its best. These common DIY repairs empower you to take control of your vehicle maintenance. With practice, you can save money and enjoy the satisfaction of caring for your car yourself. Tools and resources for DIY repairs. When it comes to DIY car repairs, having the right tools and resources can make a significant difference. Whether you are changing your oil or fixing your brakes, being prepared will save you time and frustration. Investing in essential tools and seeking out reliable resources can empower you to handle repairs confidently and safely. Must-have tools. Every DIY mechanic should have a basic toolkit that covers most repair tasks. Here are some essential tools that will set you up for success. Socket set. A good socket set is key for loosening and tightening bolts. Wrenches. Include both standard and metric wrenches to tackle different sizes. Screwdrivers. A variety of Phillips and flathead screwdrivers is essential for many tasks. Pliers. Needle nose and regular pliers help grip and pull objects with ease. Jack and jack stands. These are vital for safely lifting your car when working underneath. Torque wrench. This tool ensures that you tighten bolts to the exact specifications. Multimeter. Useful for diagnosing electrical issues. Oil filter wrench. Helps easily remove and replace oil filters. Having these tools in your garage can prepare you for most routine repairs you might encounter. Online resources and communities. Thanks to the internet, a wealth of information is just a click away. Engaging with online communities can provide support and guidance from fellow car enthusiasts. Here are some great places to start. YouTube. Channels like Chris Fix or Scotty Kilmer offer step-by-step tutorials for various repairs. Forums. Sites like Reddit's r/Mechanic Advice and Car Talk provide spaces for asking questions and sharing experiences. Automotive websites. Websites like AutoZone and Advance Auto Parts have guides and articles on common repairs. Social media groups. Joining Facebook groups focused on DIY automotive repairs can connect you with local and experienced mechanics. These resources can help you get answers to specific questions and share tips with other DIYers. Repair manuals. Repair manuals are invaluable for anyone serious about DIY car repairs. Here are some options to consider. Haynes manuals. These offer step-by-step guides for specific car models. Chilton manuals. Another popular choice, providing detailed instructions for various repairs. Manufacturer's Service Manual. The official manual from your car's manufacturer is the most detailed guide available, although it can be pricier. These manuals provide detailed instructions, diagrams, and safety tips for a wide range of repairs. They're a great investment if you're planning to do a lot of your work. Diagnostic Tools. Diagnosing car problems accurately can save you time and money. Here are some handy tools for identifying issues. OBD2 scanner. Plug this into your car's OBD2 port to read error codes from the engine. This can point you in the right direction for repairs. Diagnostic apps. Apps like Torque or BlueDriver can interpret OBD2 codes and provide insights into potential issues. Compression tester. This tool helps you diagnose engine problems related to compression loss. Battery tester. Check the health of your car battery to ensure it's operating efficiently. These tools can help you pinpoint issues and reduce the guesswork, allowing you to address problems more effectively. Safety gear. Safety should always be a top priority when working on your car. Here's some gear to keep you protected. Mechanic gloves. Protect your hands from cuts, burns, and chemicals. Safety glasses. Keep your eyes safe from debris and chemicals. Work boots. A sturdy pair of boots can protect your feet from heavy objects and spills. Fire extinguisher. Always have one nearby in case of emergencies. First aid kit. Be prepared for minor injuries with a well-stocked first aid kit. Investing in safety gear ensures that you can work on your car without risking injury. Having the right tools and resources is essential for successful DIY car repairs. With these in hand, you can tackle a wide range of repairs confidently and safely. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.